Welcome to the 0 point. Listen to this first. The system brought you to the door. The architect walks through it. If you're listening to this, you are here because you sensed a glitch in the code. You realize that the life you were sold, the exhaustion, the loops, the lack, it's not your reality. It is the program. Welcome to Awakened Reality. This is not a support group. We do not sit in circles and complain about the matrix. This is a clean lab. We are here to dismantle the persona, index your biological hardware, and reinstate the original divine blueprint. We operate on a specific frequency here. To remain in this container, you must follow the architect's protocol. No frequency leaks. Do not bring victim energy into this space. We do not blame the economy, the government, or the past. We take radical responsibility for the reality we are building. Signal versus noise. When you post, ask yourself, am I adding signal, insight, value, progress? Or am I adding noise, complaining, seeking validation? The lab is for builders. The mission. Your goal is not to just learn. Your goal is to execute. Information without action is just more system program noise. Your first assignment, the door is open, but you are not inside yet. To officially enter the lab, you must complete the identification phase. Go to the classroom tab now. Start with level 1, the identification chamber. Watch 1.1, the log. Learn the mechanics of the 5-second lag. Identify the persona versus the architect. Once you have watched module 1.1, come back to this post and comment below with signal received. This lets me know you have disconnected from the noise and are ready to work. The system wrote your past. You will write your future.